Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Chandler local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is one of the premium moving companies in Chandler, Arizona. Are you planning on moving your house or office to or from the Silicon Desert? We can handle any kind of moving services you need, whether you just have a few boxes to move, a collection of fine art, or a 4-bedroom mansion. We specialize in expert moving services, operating all over Arizona state, and we have gained our reputation through professional, reliable, and affordable service. Moving to another state or across the country can be time-consuming, requires a lot of effort and thorough planning. We do this as a job, and we have the equipment, experience, and fleet to do this as efficiently as possible, so don't improve a DIY move and eliminate any risk by hiring pro movers. Why choose 3 Movers? We have the experience. Over 20 years of operating as professional movers make us the best choice when it comes to your long-distance moving help. We have what it takes. We are a big franchise and have the fleet, the equipment, and the trained staff to make your move as efficient as possible. We keep our prices favorable. Because we handle a big business, we afford to lower our prices, and we are proud to say that we have a lot of loyal customers in and around Chandler, AZ. How fast can a local move be? Hire 3 Movers and you will see. We love exceeding our customers' expectations and go the extra mile to make their move smoother and more efficient. We can help you with packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, storage, piano moving, boxes, and moving supplies. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.